Okay.
Okay. We're going to ask you some questions about Barcelona and the things you know before you visit it. Well, the first question is, do you know the president of Catalonia?
No, I don't know.
No. Okay, don't. It's well. Do you know any Catalan artist? Catalan artist that.
Gaudí?
Yes, it's a good. And do you know paella?
Yeah.
Paella, did you try it?
With meat and fish and
Yes.
verdure? I don't know.
Verdura,
Verdura, verdura.
Anche in spagnolo.
Okay. And horchata, do you know it? Horchata? It's a drink.
A drink.
Yes?
Yes.
Horchata, l'orzo.
No.
Yeah.
Qualcosa.
Okay, but we have already listening.
Okay. Which language is the most used in here?
Catalano.
Catalan. And the other one?
Spanish.
Could you tell us our Barca's football player?
So, Leo Messi,
Yes.
Victor Valdez, Pedro, so on.
It's okay. Very good. How many elections?
Puyol.
How many elections did Franco win?
I don't know the exact number of the winnings of Franco, but I think it was power for 25 years in Spain, and then in Spain there was a monarchy that now is already present.
Well, Franco va guanyar.
Well, no.
He didn't
He
win
didn't
any
win because
any election
Okay,
because he's a
yeah.
dictator.
But it was the power for 25
Yes,
years.
that's
Yes,
true.
yes.
But it's a dictator.
Yeah.
Okay.
Colpo di Stato.
Do you know which rivers border Barcelona?
No.
It's the Llobregat and Ebro.
Ebro.
Ebro and Llobregat.
Ebro.
Ebro.
I fiumi.
Okay. The flag colors, do you know them?
The flag's color are yellow and red.
Yes. And do you know the tradition of St. George Day?
No.
Or
Never
have you?
listened before.
Okay, St. George Days, it's only in Catalonia. We celebrate it as we have a, ¿cómo es de una
Leyenda.
like a legend that St. George killed the dragon, and from the blood of the dragon grow up
A rose.
roses, and bueno, ¿qué va a hacer? Le va a donar, ¿no? La rosa.
And he gave it to the princess.
And the rose.
Okay.
To the princess.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Bueno, in the day of St. George, the boy gives a rose to the girl, and the girl gives a book to the boy. Can you tell us a street or a square of Barcelona?
La Rambla, poi Plaza della Catalunya, Garcia, Chris Garcia.
Passeig de Gràcia.
Plaza della Grazia, yeah, okay, dai.
And do you know the second name of Casa Batlló?
No.
More popular, no? It's the bone house, because in the can you look at there? In the these look like bones, huesos.
huesos.
Okay.
And it's more popular. Okay, that's all, and thanks for everything.
Thank
Hope you
you.
enjoy Barcelona, and goodbye.
Bye.
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 Non ci hanno sposato.